Hey there, welcome to my channel. Are you ready to create a stunning seed bead flower bracelet? In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to make this beautiful beaded bracelet using seed beads. You will learn how to create intricate flowers and how to assemble them into a gorgeous bracelet, perfect for beginners or experienced beaders. So adorn your wrist with this delicate beauty of this seed beads flower bracelet. Each tiny seed beads is expertly threaded to form charming flower motifs that blooms gracefully around your wrist. The soft color and shimmering accent of these beads create a subtle elegance, and it's perfect for special occasion and casual outing. Dear friend, from which country you watch this video? And what is your native language? Please let me know in the comment section. I'm so much excited to know. So grab your beads and thread and let's get started. So things we need for this: the pink seed beads size 11/0, white seed beads 11/0, green seed beads 11/0, orange pearl bead 3 mm, magnetic clasp, or you can use any kind of clasp according to your choice, and beading thread 0.16 mm, or you can use 0.20 mm too. Approximately take 320 cm long thread for the 6-inch bracelet and beading needle number 10. So in the needle, take the clasp and 7 green seed beads size 11/0 and drop it down to the end of the thread. And then go back through all beads and clasp again. And now tie a few secure knots over here. According to your convenience, you can turn off the subtitle or CC button in your YouTube settings anytime, or you can tell me your language and I will put them. Thank you. Now step up through the next 4 beads. Please consider one like and subscribe just to show love and support. Your one like costs you nothing, but it's really motivates me to make more videos for you. Now cut off the extra tail thread because we don't need this. Now alternatively pick up 4 white seed beads 11/0 and 4 green seed beads 11/0. In total 8 beads, and go through the top 1 bead like so. You can see it's create a circle. At this point you can reinforce it. Now pick up 1 orange pearl bead size 3 mm and place it in the center of the circle. Now pass the needle through these 2 beads, 1 white and 1 green. Pick up 1 green bead and go through the previous one. Now I'm gonna step up through this top green bead I just added. Alternatively pick up 4 pink seed beads and 4 green seed beads, in total 8 beads, and then go back through the previous top green seed beads. If you have time, you can check out my shorts videos section also. So many easy and aesthetic jewelry making tutorials out there. Now pick up 1 orange pearl bead size 3 mm. Now pass through these 2 beads in the right side, 1 pink and 1 green. Pick up 1 green seed beads and pass through this previous green one. And then step up through this top green seed beads you just added. Alternatively pick up 4 white seed beads and 4 green seed beads, in total 8 beads, and then pass through the needle through this previous top green seed beads. Now pick up 1 orange bead and place it in the center of the circle. Now pass through these 2 beads in the left side, 1 white and 1 green. Pick up 1 green seed beads and pass through the previous green bead. And then step up through this top green bead you just added. So in this way you have to make and grow the bracelet. As you can see, I just completed mine. You can see here it's create a zigzag pattern. So this is the main part of the bracelet. Now I'm going to finish the last circle. So pass this needle into these two beads, one white and one green bead. Now I'm gonna make the closer portion. So pick up 3 green seed beads size 11/0 and clasp and 3 green seed beads. Now go back through the previous green one. You can reinforce at this point, but I just skip this step. Now I'm going to step down through this next white bead. For your convenience, I have listed the material's name and the material's links for this description box and first pin comment. Please check this out. Now I'm gonna make the flower petal. So pick up 3 white seed beads size 11/0 and go back through the previous white bead. If you have any queries or suggestions regarding my videos, please ask me in the comment section. I would love to answer them. Now I'm going to step up through this next one white bead. Then pick up 4 white seed beads size 11/0 and then step down through this opposite side bead and the next bead, or you can call 2 beads. So you can see it's create a flower petal. I'm going to make the next petal. So pass the needle through these 2 beads, one green and one white. So for the next petal, I pick up 3 white seed beads size 11/0 and then go back through the previous white bead. I hope you already like this video. Now I'm going to step up through this next white bead. Then pick up 4 white seed beads and then pass through the opposite side bead. If you found this video helpful and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really motivate me to make more videos for you. Now pass through the next 3 beads, one white, one green and one white bead. So in this way, we need to make another petals also. We need to make 3 more petals here. So pick up 3 white seed beads and go back through the previous white one. Now step up through the next white one. Then pick up 4 white seed beads and pass through the following way. So simply in this way we need to make all petals here. I know you are watching me free in the YouTube, but please pay my fees. You can give food to the poor or feed street birds or animals and donate new clothes to the old age home or old people. This will be my fees. Again, I would love to remind you, if you love this design, then please like this video. Your one like cost you nothing, but it's really motivate me to make more videos for you. If you found this video helpful for you and you want to pay something as a gift, now you can donate me by clicking thanks button in my any videos. It's really motivate me and support me to make more videos for you. As you can see, all petals are completed. Now pass the needle through this orange pearl bead and then pass the needle through this green bead in the front. Now I'm going to step up through this next one green and one pink seed bead in the next circle. All products links are given in the description box and first pin comment. Please check this out. So for my convenience, I just flip the project here to make the pink petal. Now pick up 3 pink beads size 11/0 and go back through the previous pink one where your thread is coming out. Now I'm gonna step up through this next pink one. Now pick up 4 pink seed beads and pass through the opposite 2 pink beads and 1 green bead. So you can see one petal is completed. So for the next petal, we need to pass the needle through this next pink bead in the previous way. So we need to make another petal also. Pick up 3 pink seed beads and go back through the previous pink one. Then step up through the next pink one. Then pick up 4 pink seed beads and pass through the next 2 and 1 green bead and 1 pink bead. My friend, from which country you watched this video and what is your native language, please let me know in the comment section. I'm so much excited to know, and after that I can put your native language in my subtitle and it will help you a lot. You can see our all pink petals are done. Now pass the needle through this orange bead. If you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribing. I post videos and shorts in beads jewelry making like seed beads, pearl beads and crystal beads, bracelet, necklace, earrings and finger rings, etc. Simply repeat the process and continue to grow and complete the bracelet. So I'll be back after completing all these flowers. You can see I just completed mine. Now it's time to finish the bracelet. Now step up through these next white beads and then secure the end with couple knots here, and then step down through couple beads and then cut off the extra tail thread. And it's done. Hope you can understand the tutorial well. Thanks for watching till the end. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more jewelry making tutorials, and I will meet you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.